Are you struggling to find the perfect wedding dress? Does the array of choices leave you feeling overwhelmed? You're not alone. The quest for the perfect wedding dress can be a daunting one, yet it is a journey filled with excitement and anticipation. Welcome to your guide on how to navigate this journey with ease. This guide will break down the process into clear, manageable steps to help you find the dress that tells your story, the one that makes you feel like the best version of yourself. Step 1. Start early. The process of finding the perfect wedding dress is not something to be rushed. It's recommended to start your search at least 8 to 12 months before your wedding day. This allows ample time for browsing, fittings, alterations, and any unexpected delays. Step 2. Understand your body shape. Knowing your body shape is crucial in choosing a dress that will flatter your figure. From the hourglass to the pear shape, every body type has a dress style that complements it best. Step 3. Do your research. There are countless styles and fabrics to choose from. Some brides prefer the classic elegance of a lace gown, while others might lean towards the modern simplicity of a satin sheath dress. Researching different styles and fabrics can help narrow down your preferences. Step 4. Set a budget. It's easy to be swept away by the beauty of a gown, but it's important to remember your budget. Setting a clear budget from the start will help guide your choices and prevent any financial stress. Step 5. Trust your instincts. Sometimes the perfect dress is the one that just feels right. Trust your gut feelings. If you feel beautiful and comfortable in a dress, it might just be the one. Now let's recap the steps we've discussed. Start your search early to avoid any last-minute stress. Understand your body shape to find a dress that flatters your figure. Do your research on different styles and fabrics, and set a clear budget to guide your choices. Lastly, trust your instincts. The perfect dress is the one that makes you feel like the best version of yourself. Remember, the perfect wedding dress is not just about what's trending or what looks good on a mannequin. It's about finding a dress that reflects who you are. It's your day, your story. Make it count.